Probably the most important factor to think about is, what do you like? You're going to be living there, you're going to be looking at it, so what do you like? And that's going to be determined by spending a little time looking at other landscapes around your community, seeing what appeals to you, and maybe taking some photos of that or looking at photos online and sharing that with your landscape designer. So that's step number one. Step number two is to pay, obviously the architecture of your house. You certainly ideally would have the landscaping play off the architecture of your house. So if you have a super modern looking house, you probably are not going to put in a luxury cabin landscape. Those are some obvious issues. I think the other more subtle issues are the environment that you're in. As an example, if you're in an intense urban environment, you might be looking at a very different landscape than you would in a suburban and or rural environment. So those are other factors that you want to take into consideration. Another factor in helping decide what you should do for your landscape design has to do with local rules and regulations. A lot of communities have rules about what you can and cannot do with your landscape, so you want to make sure that whatever design you're landing on fits in with the local rules and regulations. And lastly, the site conditions themselves. Are you on a heavily treed lot? Are you on a corner lot? Do you have neighbors super close by? All those factors can really influence what type of landscape design that you end up falling on. So.